Hi, in today's video, I'm going to cover how to make money online as a college student. And if you like the video, when you get through watching it, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I publish new content like today's video. Let's move on to my two favorite ways to make money that I suggest to college students today in 2020. So in this video, we're going to be talking about two sources for college students on making money online. One source I'm going to cover is what they call user website testing. And there's an article I'm going to share with you with a link in the description below, for there's going to be the person writes about the top 15 user testing website ways to make money online right now. I'm going to share that article next. After I show you I picked out 7 sites to look at, and I've had personal experience with 2 of them, limited but experience with them. And the other source of income today in the video will be building a free website and finding a CPA offer and building a landing page in which you drive a direct traffic to the landing page, and then from there they get connected to a CPA offer where they fill in an email and you get paid for that. So that's the 2 sources we're going to cover. Let's move on to the first source. Probably my favorite way to make money online as a college student would be what they call user website testing sites. What you're doing is basically they're going to send you information and questions to accomplish on a certain website, and you record it, and then you submit your recording to the company, and then they'll pay you up to 10-15 days later in a PayPal account. Usually is you put in free website into Google search, and there'll be places where you can pick out, there's articles, top 11, top 21, free website. And I've also referred to it as an earlier video I did. And we'll take one of these sites and just show you how to use a free website and CPA offer to make some money for yourself as a college student. So without further ado, let's get on to the first one with no user website testing first. We'll go over that in detail. Okay, so I've gone to usertesting.com. I put in my email address, checked out the privacy policy that I understood, and they sent me an email to my email address. I come in here and it says complete your application. I did that. Then to sent me to this site here. Thanks for signing up, blah, blah. Video of good tasters. So I'm going to see what this has to do with anything.
So let me go on to the next task. And I'm going to add a recipe or 2 to my grocery list. Add an individual item or 2 to my grocery list. Next, try removing a recipe from my grocery list. How would I do that? Okay, let me get started with that. So I'm going to go ahead and add this, and I'm not sure, I would expect to be able to add something up here. Want to try favorite or share. Okay, I don't see it there. I'm looking for the word.
Okay, so what you're doing is basically you're going to a website. They're going to send you a link to a website. And they want you to perform a test. You have to record your screenshot with a video recorder. If you have a mobile phone, record it. Like I'm using Screencast-O-Matic to record this, but what I would use would be on my computer. I'd use a desktop. You can use a desktop, an iPad, an iPhone, an Android, a smartphone basically. But you test, what you're doing is you're going through the site and you're giving your experience of the site, what you see, what you like, what you don't like, and then they're going to pay you $10 for each time that you complete a test for them. And the money then will be put into your PayPal account. Some go 10-15 days later, but the reports are this works pretty well. This would be a good way for a college student to make some extra money. There's several of these sites available. Here's what users do. Come here, it says become a tester. We'll click on that real quick. Okay. Okay, it says let's do this. That test that you can have. I could schedule a demo, a promo video. This is another site called Userlytics. I'll leave links for these in the description. Another one, try my UI. This is my favorite one. I love this site. It's Enroll, if I remember right, enrollapp.com. You sign up here and set up a password, and then they'll send you again to your email address. You have to verify that, and then we'll take you to directions on how this works. Enroll. There's another one called User Feel. Another one called Responded. And these various companies have their various parameters for using them, but this is a really excellent way for a college student to make money online. As from the comfort of your own home and the time that you want to have done, that you have to do it. You can work it around your assignments, your classwork, your classroom labs, whatever's going on with college and whatever's in your life, your date life, social life, whatever. So a good way for a college student to build some online income is to set up a free website. And you can go to Google and put in free websites. Found this article here, 21 best free website builders. Come down through here and a nice table of contents here. And then what you can do is you can pick out a website builder. Wix, a lot of people know about Wix, so I picked out Wix. Went here to Wix, to the site. You say, well, I don't know how to build a website on Wix. Well, there's a whole bunch of directions that Wix provides you here. In addition to that, you can go to YouTube. You can go to YouTube and put in the search bar how to build a website on Wix. And if you look through here, there's a lot of very detailed directions. 1 hour and 4 minutes, 49 minutes and 53 seconds, 57 minutes. There are shorter tutorials too, but there's a lot of tutorials that are very detailed where people, this is for free, will teach you how to go back to your Wix site and create your Wix site. Then after you do that and you get that set up, then what you want to do is go look for CPA offers, click per action offers. Now one place I know I've used over the years is a place called Offer Vault. Offer Vault has a lot of offers, all types of offers from around the world that you can use. The problem with this would be if you're a college student, you may not have the experience or the site or the traffic to get signed up for some of these offers. They may not accept you readily. What you can do though is put in a Google search called Easy CPA Offers, and I'll give you some articles here. I came up with 20 best CPA offers. That's this article right here. And when you come down through here, they recommend number 1, CPA Lead. They also offered another site that I used to use called PureFly, but PureFly's been closed now for about 7 months. So I went to CPA Network. And to get signed up for that, basically gave me a choice, 3 choices. Choices were sign up with a Facebook account, sign up with a Google account, or sign up with personal information. So I just clicked on sign up with a Google account. I have several Google email accounts. It asked for permission to use one of the sites for permission. I granted it. It came in, set me up on a CPA Lead account, which I have here. Then I went and found an offer. Okay, I found an offer. CPA offered a link, and I said, well, I don't know what this is. So I put it in. It's a CPA offer for this right here. You could set up a landing page on your free site, set up this offer, and every time when someone gives their email address, you make money. And that couldn't get any easier. Now, yes, you have to apply some work. That's very true. Yes, you have to do some work to make some money, but once you get set up, okay, once you get it set up, you're going to have a way to make some money. So here, this is paying 58 cents per click for action for this right here. 58 cents. That's an easy way to make some money on CPA offers in a free site. So don't forget, as I'm suggesting in today's video, that as a recap, to go to Google, check out the 15 sites that pay you to test websites today. And you can easily sign up for most of these accounts. A few of them have some tests you have to take to get your approval. But go to these, any one of these sites. You can go to my favorite, Enroll, where I got set up to go, just waiting for my first assignment. And then you get paid for testing out websites, recording the screens, and giving them your feedback as you're going. The other thing I suggested in today's video was to create your own free website and use CPA offers, click per action offers, and I gave you the information on that. So if you like today's video and you receive value from it, something that you can use in the future to help yourself with your online presence or with making income for yourself from home as a college student, please like the video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you already haven't done that. And please, through the extra effort, we ask you for extra effort, hit that bell icon so that every time we publish new content to our channel, you'll get notified about that. Thank you for watching, and so long.